I really believe with all my heart that the restoration that we see is going to be personal, corporate, financial, and generational. I believe it. Personal, corporate, financial, and generational. And some of you, under the sound of my voice, God has marked you and purposed great things in your life. Now listen to what I'm going to say, because what I'm going to say is very bold, and it needs to be spoken in this atmosphere. Because we do a good job of going high in church, then we go low in life. Don't be afraid if God chooses to make you extremely wealthy. And the reason everybody didn't clap is because I'm not talking to everybody. Some of us are called to pray, so please keep praying. Others are called to generate wealth. And if that's you, don't be ashamed to claim that for your life. Because what's got to happen, Antoine? What's got to happen, Delandrin and Gary and Robert? When that generation comes, we got to show them something more dynamic than the world. We can't bring them and they see us sitting on our promises. Let's gather by the river. So we must present Jesus Christ to them in the way they see his power. They need to know all the saints not broke. As a matter of fact, I don't think no saint ought to be broke. Come on, talk to me, y'all. We're not broken people, broke people. Saints don't live check to check. We have multiple streams of income and generational income, passive income. I'm talking to the wrong crowd today. Y'all, come on, talk to me, somebody. We are owners and lenders. That's what God does. So in days to come, we need to position ourselves, because all of this is a part of that great revival. Seeing God to do great and mighty things. But the main thing, when they come back, we got to give them Jesus.